British Virgin Islands, Brazil, Ireland, the People's Republic of China, and Bangladesh. There we have it, group number 6.
Beauty is a concept widely perceived by human beings, and the visual beauty is the most commonly perceived object in our daily life. But what is the beauty? How beautiful it is of a specific person? The attractiveness of a human face is easy to perceive, but more than difficult to define. Nowadays, there are numerous competitions trying to find the most attractiveness person. For example, the Miss World pageant. But it actually takes a long time, and sometimes the results are not very objective. So, our project aims at developing a facial attractiveness prediction system to give scores on people's facial looks. As for company or competition, our system is fast and cheap. It would help them save a lot of time and money. As for people, our system is private, as they do not have to upload their photos to someone else. It is also objective because the rating was given by a machine. Nowadays, there are some other solutions. One of them was called Hotness.ai. The website is actually developed with a business goal, so they would actually present the scores higher than the true value to please their customers, to attract them to use the product for business strategy. Another app we found was called Spotana. This app encouraged the users to upload their images to someone else. It would be embarrassing for the people to publish their photo to let someone else judge them. As for our project, we mainly use the dataset from SCUT Facial Beauty Prediction 5500 dataset. We choose 350 images for each subset, which are Caucasian female, Caucasian male, Asian female, and Asian male. The ratings of the facial attractiveness was ranging from 1 to 5, with 1 being the least attractive and 5 being the most attractive. We mainly use the convolutional neural networks for our project. The 3 models we used are ResNet50, DenseNet, and NestNet. Keras and GitHub are the 2 main sources we used for our project. Our key design decision is to first remove the top layer and save the remaining layer's weight to a file. Then, at the second step, we will load the weight, and at that point, we would include the top layer to get our final result.
Now we would like to show you our system. This pretty woman got a very high score, 4.2. The exciting thing is that we could test our system by using our photos. So let's begin. My photo got the score 2.7. Now let's try Tinshu's photo. She got 2.8. Honestly, we would be happier if our scores are higher. We use mean absolute error and Pearson correlation coefficient to evaluate these 3 models. After analysis, we found that ResNet50 is the best model to predict facial attractiveness. Here is an image to directly show you our prediction scores. You can see that our prediction scores are pretty close to the actual scores. One interesting finding is that when we include the top layer, training time increases, but the accuracy also increases a lot. For the further work, we would like to add black female and black male images to improve the existing dataset, and develop a mobile application for the convenient use of our system. You are very welcome to use our system by using your own photos. Any question?